We just hit up Jamestown Bridge. We found Goofy on the side of the road, needed to ride back to Glasgow. Figured I'm gonna give him a ride.
He's hiking the East Coast right now.
Yeah.
Hiking the Appalachian Trail.
From Georgia to Maine. It's fucking nuts.
It's crazy.
We got a packed car right now.
You know we ain't walking.
Yeah.
This is our first 77 show meeting.
On the stage, we got all our fans.
All our friends here.
This is pretty cool.
They showed up today.
Keep going.
When I was growing up, I had a lot of dreams. My mama told me, son, you could be anything, long as you spread your wings. I know one day you'll be great, just wait. Soon you'll aim up at the sky and I'll watch it float away. But now that I am older, I'll admit that I am over all the stress and shit that comes from holding life upon your shoulders. It's a chore, sick of being bored. I'm sick of always stressing over shit I could ignore. Guess it's just my own immaturity burning through me internally. Take imagination and making it a reality. So pause, yo fuck it, I'll be.
Alright, well, this is Natural Bridge. I got Randy shoveling Sky here. And George Washington. Hey! Sky wants to say something too. What do you got to say?
Right back, pay my tribute to the past. Tell them all to kiss my ass for us. I don't wanna worry about nothing for a while. I just wanna play around, living like a child with old tunes jamming on my Walkman and some Sour Patch Kids and a Coke can. I don't wanna think about anything at all. I just wanna run around doing what I want with a pretty ass girl and a slow jam and some Sour Patch Kids and a Coke can. I just wanna go back to old school, old news, road rules, Fresh Prince cartoons, good raps, dope tracks, and I'm not trying to be on it, I'm just trying to be honest. Pack lunch, school crush, bus home and play Sonic. Been there, I have done that, made my mark up on the town. Stupid, I've been lucid, been a menace and a clown. Wow, I'm chillin' watching Rocco's Modern Living, wishing I could find a way to bring back music television. No more Jersey Shoreing, horribly boring versions of shows from Great Britain. They're written with no vision, yo damn. So fuck it, I'll be right back. Pay my tribute to the past. You could all just kiss my ass for a second. I don't wanna worry about nothing for a while. I just wanna play around, living like a child with old tunes jamming on my Walkman and some Sour Patch Kids and a Coke can. I don't wanna think about anything at all. I just wanna run around doing.
Alright, Sandstone Falls. Here we go.
Girl, a slow jam and some Sour Patch Kids and a Coke can. Alright. Nothing for a while, just wanna play around like a child with old tunes on my Walkman, Sour Patch Kids and a Coke can. I don't wanna worry about nothing for a while. I just wanna play around, living like a child with old tunes jamming on my Walkman and some Sour Patch Kids